welcome back everybody. And we have one more haul. Okay, we have stuff from Amazon and a couple things we got from, it looks from Marshalls. I think we got this from Marshalls, and I think we got this from Marshalls. I think everything else is from Amazon. Alright, let's get into it. So we have a cuticle cream from Burt's Bees. We wanted to try this to see if this is any good. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's in a metal tin. Nice creamy consistency. Hopefully it'll be nice to keep in your purse. I just had a cuticle pen leak in my bag. So I was looking for something that would not leak in my bag. So I'll let you know how this work goes. It might just turn to liquefied mess. But I'll stick it in a plastic bag just in case. See how that works. Now this is a glass vial for your foot. Probably for your like heels and stuff. It's supposed to be coated with an antibacterial finish. They had two of them there at Marshalls, so when you look for them, double check them because the other one was just cracked. And I do like my glass files for my nails. I figured out worse, so I'll use it for my fingernails, which just be a large one. See if it's easy to work with. Let's open it up. See how well it handles in your hand. It's coarse on one side, fine on the other. That'd be nice just for your fingernails. That's probably what I'm going to end up using it for. Because I have a small collection of glass files and use them for cuticles as well, the cuticle pushers, but they can be quite small. So that might be my new go-to. And I bought this on Amazon to see how it works. Cuticle oils. Starting to collect cuticle oils. I'm really enjoying keeping my cuticles in shape. I bought this little glass or acrylic container for my cuticle oils, but it has lipstick holders on it. And I thought I'd try to find some cuticle oils that would fit it. And I saw these and I thought, you know what, let's try them. Probably not the best quality. I figure I could probably use them up and then pull the balls out and then reuse the containers instead of buying the reusable containers empty for the same price that people use in their Etsy shops. Because these are the roller balls. Yeah, I should be able to just pop that out. So this is lemon. Smells nice. Not bad. Let's See if it fits in my containers like I want. Oh, that's nice. That fits perfectly. And then this one is peach. Let's try not to put them in the same places because that might make a weird smell combination. Peach. I think these were like $7. They're 10 milliliter bottles. That's nice. That was a good smell as well. And they fit in the lipstick containers on the clear acrylics. Pomegranate. So if you have a bunch of clear acrylic containers, you don't know what to do with the lipstick containers, get yourself some roll-on. Oh, that smells good too. Roll-on cuticle oils. These little square. And this one's aloe vera. Not much of a smell, just aloe vera. They have two different sets. This one was the more fruity of the scents. I might get the other set because I have two of these containers up here. This one's grape. They have a nice light scent to them, but not bad. We'll see how well they work. Let's see what their ingredients list is. There you go, if you can see that. Grape has grapeseed oil, jojoba. Not bad. I'm probably going to go order the other set later. Okay. So I bought some tips and some stands. I have really small nail beds, so I was having troubles finding tips to fit my hands. And a girl in one of my nail groups has a similar situation, and she said these work perfectly for her. And I bought their short coffin already, and they seem to fit me okay. So I picked up their short almond. And I forgot what these ones. I think these are their short round. I am just having a time opening things these days. I need to change out scissors. Have my husband sharpening these ones for me. I think I have killed them with gels and all kinds of fun stuff. So these are, which ones? Looks like the short square, short almond. Let's see what the other ones I have. Maybe it's the short rounds I still gotta order. Okay, so a short coffin already. So these are the short almond. Short square, so yeah, I have to get the short round still. 1. I got powder on my nails. They're a little thicker. They don't seem to be too bad on my nails. Four. This is 4. Not quite fitting me now with the powder on, but these are the shorts. They're pretty long for me. See if I got really short fingers. And they're already etched inside. And they're fairly inexpensive. You can watch, they can go on sale. I actually got my last box. They were on sale, I think it was $7 for the box, so we'll see how they work for me. And we got me some nail stands. And how are we opening these? Is this glued down? No. They come with a nice amount of tack. This should last a while. Cool. Of course, need the scissors again. These are not that size. And you get 3. They're acrylic. Not bad weight to them. When I bought my Ugly Duckling, I thought they were bigger. They were a little bigger. They got weight to them, but I thought they were just a little bit bigger. You know, a little wider. Kind of, at least as wide as these. These should work. Let's see. Let's look at their heads. That's why this one always looks funny. I never took the sticker off of it. If I remember right, this is from a cart. This is... Where'd this one come from? That's not these. Random hit. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's strange. That did come from this bag. Where did I put it? There it is. Wait, all that way? Yeah. They all have one little tiny one and 4 big ones in a set. I've never had them come that way before. Wonder why that is. Interesting. Okay, so that's what those look like. Play with those later. And finally get one of these, a sterilization tray, instead of just using my bowl. So you put your sterilization liquid in, your tray, and it goes down. Simple enough. Alright, I'll put all the links in the description box. If I missed anything, let me know. See you in the next one. Bye.